How to find winning products on AliExpress. Now, if you want to find a winning product on AliExpress, just simply open the website or the mobile app of AliExpress, and then you need to go by category from here. And once you go into the category, you need to tap into this magnifier icon in order to search for the products, and let's search for books in AliExpress. And after that, in order to find the winning products in here, depending on whichever product that you have searched in that category, first of all select the best matches option and there select the option of popular. And after selecting the popular option, tap to filters, and after selecting the filter option, tap to the option of sale, and then tap to the option of 4 stars and up in the quality and trust, and then you can choose the view mode as list or gallery and tap to show result. Then it is gonna show the books that are most sold and highly rated in here, and you can check for how many copies of the book have been sold and how good the ratings of the book are from this page, and you can very easily find out the product that are winning on AliExpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.